work that I do with community engagement is really oriented to helping diverse community members come together around complex public problems. And I do that through research on facilitation and on deliberation and bringing what I know about that into the room as a capacity that I offer to communities. But then I'm also researching what happens when we do that and with what kinds of effects. And we've worked with the city of Brooklyn Park and the counties of Dakota County, Jackson County, Beltrami County, and now we're working with the city of Chanhassen to really do some concrete problem solving around transportation and roadways. In some tribal communities, we've also helped them to identify and articulate, frankly, in many ways, things that they already knew, but they didn't have the evidence to substantiate around pedestrian safety. The work that I do in engagement with the communities really helps me to bring concrete examples. It helps me to bring my students out into engagement work through their class projects so that they're providing service and learning from it within the structure of me also providing some coaching and feedback to them. And I feel like it keeps my work real in a way that I do this research and I always also have in my mind, what would this mean for a young professional who's getting ready to go out and do this work in the world? What lessons can be learned from this? And so very often I am trying to improve practice. I'm trying to study from people who do it really well. And the whole point of that is to provide examples for my own students and to enrich my training of them, and also to be making some contribution to the professional communities that are out there also by saying, hey, look at how this worked. This is what they did. This is how they made it work. Or here's an example of something that didn't go so well that's a really instructive cautionary tale for us. I'm really interested in what that has to do with both the practice of democracy, of bringing different voices into the room, and what that offers for creative problem solving when you get a good creative minds into the room for people to really exchange ideas and figure out what problems are and what they might do about them together.